Hi everyone, we are from Group 4 of Rainwater Harvesting System. This is an overview of our community project. Let me introduce our team consists of 5 members: Dira, Adli, Ardiba, Nabila, and Wani. Our project mainly promotes sustainable water management practices by conducting an exhibition of the system. We display our projector and elaborate the importance of our system to SMK Jeram students. There are several factors that spark our interest in this project. Rainwater harvesting system offers an opportunity to address water scarcity issues and promote responsible water use. We can see the direct impact on the community by providing a reliable and alternative water source. Engaging in this project helps develop and apply technical skills, gain practical experience, and enhance our Sandia problem-solving abilities. We can engage in awareness campaigns to promote water sustainable practices and the benefits of rainwater harvesting itself.
The rain harvesting project has clear objectives that align with specific Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). So these are the objectives of the project. Firstly, promoting water conservation and sustainability. The project aims to utilize rainwater as a valuable resource to meet the water needs of the community. By implementing a rain harvesting system, the project seeks to reduce dependency on conventional water resources and promote sustainable water management practices. These objectives align with the SDG 6, which is clean water and sanitation, which emphasizes the importance of ensuring universal access to safe and affordable water. Next is increasing community self-sufficiency and adaptability. The rain harvesting project aims to empower the community by providing them with an alternative source of water. By encouraging self-sufficiency in water supply, the project contributes to community resilience and reduce vulnerability to water shortage. These objectives align with the SDG 11, which is Sustainable City and Communities, which emphasize the importance of creating inclusive, safe, and sustainable urban environment. And the last but not least is maintaining and enhancing the climate of the planet. The installation of rainwater collection system helps to reduce the harmful effects of climate change. This system limits the amount of stormwater runoff, which can contribute to flooding and erosion if it is not captured and utilized after it has rained. This contributes to the efficient management of water resources, which is especially helpful during time of intense precipitation. So this objective align with the standard of SDG 13. The project reduces waste and resource depletion by encouraging responsible consumption and production, which help reduce the environmental impact of climate change. The rain harvesting responsibility tackles both local and global issues with shortage of water, environmental sustainability, and development in community. The project offers an alternative and sustainable source of water in areas with insufficient access to clean water, eliminating relying on erratic or remote water sources. By ensuring that communities have access to safe and dependable water for their everyday requirement, this deals with the issue of water shortage in area. On a global scale, the project promotes responsible consumption and production, which help to ensure environmental sustainability. The project minimizes waste and ease the burden of environment by recycling and reusing materials. Additionally, the project develops adaptability and addresses the global challenge of developing sustainable cities and communities by allowing people to become self-sufficient in water supply.
Our rainwater harvesting system presents significant potential impact and benefit to society, incorporating unique elements and innovative approach to set it apart from conventional system. One of the key impact of our rainwater harvesting system is collection system that impact long-term response to resource management and water scarcity. Other than that, it will reduce the strain on conventional water source. Next, it will maintain a consistent water supply, especially in areas prone to drought or facing limited access to clean water. Additionally, the system helps to relieve pressure on the already existing water infrastructure, improving efficiency and reduce vulnerability to water shortage. One of the unique elements of our project is the Sulam integrations. Malaysia Service Learning University for the Community is an approach that combines academic learning with community service. Our initiative actively involves school students in getting some ideas about rainwater harvesting system through Sulam. A mutually beneficial partnership between university and the community is where students get ideas to do something and contribute to society, while the community benefit from their appetite and enthusiasm. Student involvement in the project not only offer new insight and creative idea, but also encourage young people to take an active role in their communities.
For the project execution and implementation, first we made a simple design for the rainwater harvesting system. Based on the design, we bought the necessary equipment such as small tank, gutter system, pipe and fittings. We use recycled items for some parts such as tank and net. The first step to make the model, gutter system is carefully installed at the top of the tank to establish the water flow. Then we drill a hole at the bottom of the tank to install the valve. Lastly, we add mosquito net and fitting to avoid leakage and contamination. During the Sulam event at the SMK Jeram, we placed a demonstration booth for our project. Our group brought the mini water rain harvesting system that we made and infographic. Then we invite students to view and learn about the system functioning. During the event, educational sessions are conducted to highlight the importance of water conservation and the numerous benefits of rainwater harvesting. We were giving out brochure on how to make the system on their own. Participants are guided through the component of the system, including the collection surface, gutter system, small tank and their interconnection. Some of knowledge that we share are regular monitoring and maintenance in ensuring the system optimal performance and to check any sign of leakage, damage and blockage. The gutter also need to be cleaned to prevent clogging and the tank is inspected to maintain water quality and avoid contamination. Throughout the event, valuable feedback is collected from participants to evaluate the mini rainwater harvesting system effectiveness and impact on themselves. The feedback serves as an essential tool for improvement and future implementation. Furthermore, the entire project is documented, including design plan, photograph, and feedback received, to serve as a reference for future initiatives to share the success story of our project. The success of the project is shared throughout this event. Participants and visitors are encouraged to implement similar systems in their home or communities, spreading the practice of rainwater harvesting on a larger scale. Collaboration with SMK Jeram and environmental organisations help create awareness and emphasize the importance of sustainable water management practice, fostering a culture of water conservation in the community.
As we come to the end of our video, I want to take a moment to recap the significance of our project and the impact it can have on our community. Through our project, we aim to raise awareness about the importance of water conservation and provide a practical solution for individuals and communities to utilize rainwater as a valuable resource. By implementing the rainwater harvesting system, we aim to see a significant reduction in water waste, allowing for the conservation of our precious water resource. We highlighted alignment of our project with the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly the SDG 6, which is clean water and sanitation, as we strive to contribute towards a more sustainable future. Our project has not only benefited the immediate community, but has also inspired individuals to adopt similar initiatives and contribute to sustainable water management practice. Did you know that the world has organizations who estimate that rainwater harvesting system can provide safe drinking water for approximately 1 billion people globally? And also, according to the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA), rainwater harvesting system can reduce tap water up to 50% in residential setting. Last but not least, I want to remind you again that each rainwater barrel can save gallons of water, reducing the strain on our natural resources. Now it's time for all of us to take action. Together we can make a lasting impact, whether it's implementing rainwater harvesting system in our own homes or maybe supporting similar initiatives in our own community. Yes, because we have the power to create the positive change.